Today, we're making delicious pie bars filled with fresh California blueberries, lemon zest, and sour cream. Let's start by preheating the oven to 375 and spraying a 9 by 13 inch baking dish with cooking oil. In a large bowl, measure 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, and 12 tablespoons, or 1.5 sticks, of cold butter. Use the paddle of a stand mixer to combine everything until the mixture is crumbly, and all the butter is in very small pieces coated in the flour. Set a cup of that mix aside, then pour the rest into the prepared baking dish and press it down with a measuring cup or small bowl to make an even layer. Bake this for about 12 minutes until the edges start to turn golden brown. While the crust bakes, combine a cup of sugar with 1/3 of a cup of flour. Whisk in 2 eggs, then add a half cup of sour cream and keep mixing until smooth. Then gently fold in 3 cups of fresh California blueberries and toss to coat them in the batter. For a little kick, add in a tablespoon of lemon zest here. Pour the blueberry mixture over the prepared crust, then top with the reserved crumble. This goes back into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, or until it's cooked through, golden on top and bubbling from the berries. You'll want to eat this straight from the oven, but let it cool for an hour before serving. Trust us, it's worth the wait.